Hello everyone, Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com here in Lewis Beach, Delaware, and this video is a tutorial on some tips on how to use your score screen on my weekly MIDI files that I send out. Now, to get the MIDI files, you have to get the book bundle. When you get the book bundle or bundles, you get music emailed to you every week with all my play chords like a pro right on there, the fingering, when to change variations, all that jazz. But now I'm playing the song not as easy as the music is, and for you guys I'm emailing you the MIDI file if you have that book bundle. So I'm going to give you a quick few tips on the best features in the Genos and the Tyros on this. Okay, so I use my MIDI files right off my USB. So I'm just going to go over and hit Song. I'm going to hit Song B as you've seen me do before. Let's switch to USB and we'll pull up to the last song, More Than You Know. Now, if you go over and hit the score button, which I've already got set up in your keyboard if you have my book bundles with banks, there is your screen. Now, this is the cool part with this. You can see it's a little hard to see there. So, if you hit the lines with the musical note here, I actually have it set up so the chord is there, the right hand is on, and you can even put color on, which is pretty cool. But I'm going to go to medium. We'll look at the music, or going to go to large, I'm sorry. And we're going to touch it to go off, and you'll see what happens here. Let's go to extra large. So you can see it switches really quick there at extra large. And you can even put color on, which I'll show you real quick if my finger wasn't cold. So you can see the notes in color. So you're getting all my extra grace notes there instead of following the music. So the best thing to do is see which one works for you. So just make sure that your chord is on. That way everything will be right there for you. Okay, so that's real quick. And I hope you all enjoyed that. That was something that was put into me in the comments section. Somebody said, I wish the chords would show up. So I just decided to make a quick video on that. And enlarging the music helps too. Whether you're playing it just like I have it on the music, the way it's written, or you want to try and put extra grace notes in there, whatever you want to do, whichever way you want to use it, it's just great for everyone. So until next time, this is Mike Mixon from Keyboardamerica.com saying have a great day, keep playing, and I'll see you real soon.